You're about to learn how to build a contact form that sends responses directly to your email in under 3 minutes. I've tested all the most popular form builders out there, and I'll show you the fastest way to get this set up with no fluff. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend, linked below. Only viewers of my channel get access to that. Let's get straight into it. First, go to the software we'll be using. The link's in the description. Sign up for a free account using the exclusive trial if you want to follow along exactly. Once you're in, click Create Form and choose the blank template. Drag in 3 basic fields: name, email, and message. Label them clearly and mark the email and message fields as required. This is important so you don't get empty or useless submissions. Next, go to Settings. Under Email Notifications, set it to send responses to your email. Just type in the email address where you want to receive messages. You can even customize the subject line, so every submission is easy to recognize in your inbox. Now go to the Form Embed tab. Copy the code snippet provided. If you're using WordPress, paste this into a custom HTML block. If you're using something else like Shopify, Webflow, or plain HTML, just drop that snippet where you want the form to appear. Test your form. Fill it out like a visitor would and make sure you receive the email. If you don't see it, check your spam folder and whitelist the sender email in your inbox to be safe. You can style the form with simple CSS or use the design tools built into the software. But if you're just looking for a clean working form that sends responses to your email, what we've done so far is all you need. Now a quick tip. Under autoresponder, you can also set up a thank you message or confirmation email to the person who filled out your form. It adds a professional touch and confirms to them that their message was received. Let's wrap it up with the key takeaway. If you need a quick, no-nonsense way to build a contact form that sends responses to your email, this method works every time. You don't need a developer, you don't need code, you just need a good form builder, like the one we used today. Here's a quick recap. We created a form with name, email, and message fields. Set up email notifications to receive submissions. Embedded the form on our site. Tested the entire flow from input to inbox. Added optional autoresponders for a more polished experience. If you want to try the software I used today, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel and it'll save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching. Now go build that form.